G'day, I'm Cyrus Walker Nomo. Today I'm going to show you how to drain the fuel tank on a 2021 Kawasaki KLX150BF. The tools that you need for this job are a pair of pliers, the ones in the stock toolkit will do just fine, some tubing that's at least 6mm internal diameter and fuel safe, and a fuel container. There's several ways to drain the fuel tank, but the way that I think is the easiest is by using the fuel tank's petcock. And we do that first by coming to the left-hand side of the bike. First step, let's get some paper towel, shove it in underneath the petcock and the hose. We do this because it's going to leak some fuel when we get it out. So we just get the pliers in, over the hose, clamp down, and then drag across, pull the hose off. A little bit of fuel come out, nothing to worry about, just push it back there for now. Next step is to push the drain hose you're going to use up through the frame. Ideally, I found that this particular hose was 5mm, I had to stretch it a bit. A 6mm or ideally a 7mm would be easy for this. Grab the pliers on near the end of the hose and slide it up over the barb. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be there for long. It's just so it doesn't drain everywhere. Next we get the fuel can. Just insert the hose into it so it doesn't leak everywhere. And then turn the petcock from off to reserve. And now we wait.
A few moments later.
Once the fuel tank is fully drained, turn the petcock from reserve to off. This, for some reason, makes a few more drips of fuel come out. Get some paper towel ready and just dab the tip of the hose on it to get rid of the last few drops, saves you making a mess. And then put the lid back on your fuel can. Give it to a friend you don't care about. Removing the drain hose is the same process as removing the original fuel hose. Just grab it and pull away. Then it will fall away. Put the stock fuel hose back on, grab it and align the tip with the barb. Once the tip is aligned, grab about 1 centimeter from the end and use it to push it over the barb. Go back, push it again, go back and push it again, and then it'll be on. For some reason, the stock hose clip doesn't actually seem to do much, so you can pretty much ignore it for this entire process. Once you're done with that, you can just pull the paper towel out and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Anything you want to criticize, comment, feedback, all welcome. Anyway, see you on the next one.